Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to stop friend requests on Snapchat. So to do that, first you need to open your Snapchat and then log in to your account. Tap your profile at the upper left corner. Then tap settings at the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see me in quick add. So quick add helps friends to find each other on Snapchat. So to avoid or stop friend requests on Snapchat, uncheck the checkbox and then go back, and then that's it. That's how to stop friend requests on Snapchat. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.